Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect this wireless keyboard to Bluetooth keyboard to your Microsoft Surface Pro 8. And to do this we'll need to connect the dongle onto the Surface, but the problem is that it doesn't have any USB plugs and we need to use the adapter. So here's a USB-C adapter with a USB adapter with a USB plug. Now connect the dongle from the keyboard to this adapter and then to our device. And now the keyboard should be connected. We can open any text writing stuff, and here let's restart it. Let's replug it. Sometimes it happens. Okay, I think now it works. Yeah. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.